Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Robinhood login security and account activity, beginner guide step by step clearly. To ensure the security of your Robinhood account, begin by logging into the app or website. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the security section within the settings menu. Here, check if two-factor authentication is enabled. If it's not enabled, activate it to add an extra layer of security. Two-factor authentication often involves receiving a code via SMS or an authentication app. Next, review your linked email address and phone number for any unauthorized changes. Make sure the email address is verified by looking for a confirmation message in your inbox. Now, return to the settings menu and find the account activity section. Examine your recent account activity for any transactions you do not recognize. If you notice any suspicious activity, report it immediately through the app or website. To further secure your account, consider changing your password to a more complex one. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to strengthen your password. Additionally, avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or names. You may also want to check your device list in the security section. This will show you all devices that are currently logged into your account. If you see any devices that you do not recognize, log them out immediately. Make sure to keep your app updated to ensure the latest security features are in place. Regularly monitor your account activity to detect any changes or transactions early. Finally, remain vigilant about phishing attempts that may compromise your login information. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your Robinhood account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.